Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to blur parts of an image so that one part of the image sticks out. Now to do this, we're going to have to download two apps, and the first app we're going to use is called PixArt. You can download from the link in the description, or you can search it up in the App Store. So if this works for you, please leave a like and subscribe because I post videos like this once a week and sometimes even more than that. So just open up PixArt and then just wait for this animation to load, and then click on the plus at the bottom. Then you'll be prompted to select photos that you want to add to PixArt. I'm just going to add the photo that I'm going to use. The photo I'm going to use is just a photo of my phone, and then we're going to click on Done. After that, just click on it from the list of photos. And then this is what it looks like. So the first thing we need to do is blur out the whole image. Now this might not make sense at first, but after you watch the video, you'll probably get what I'm trying to do. Just click on Effects, and then click on Blur. Then change the strength of the blur on the image. I'm going to make it 10:10, so it's not really that blurry. And it won't just look like a random blurry image, it'll look like a camera focusing on an object. In the fade, you can put that as anything. I'm just going to put it at 10 so it doesn't look really weird. Then after that, you're going to click on Apply at the top right to save it. Then click on Next at the top right, and then Save at the bottom. Then download it as a photo. Now after that, we're going to be downloading another app called Adobe Photoshop Mix. It's a really good app for editing, but it doesn't have that many features. But its cutout feature is really good. So we're just going to open up Adobe Photoshop Mix, and then click on the plus at the top right. Then what you need to do is just click on Image, and then click on My iPhone. Then we're going to give the app access to some of our photos. I'm just going to give it access to the original and the one that's blurred. Then click on Done, and then click on Recents. Now make sure you click on the blurred photo. After you've done that, you'll see it's a blurred picture, and then click on the plus, then click Image, and then select the original image. Then make sure you click on the layer that is not blurred, so it's the one all the way at the top. It should already be selected, but just do that and then click Cutout. Now the really cool thing with Adobe Photoshop Mix is that there's a smart pen, and you can draw out the cutout stuff and it'll automatically try to figure out what you're trying to cut out. Now after you've done that, you can go in with the basic brush at the bottom, and then you can just smooth out everything like this. After that, just click on the check mark at the bottom right, and this is the image. Now it doesn't really look that blurred, so what I'm going to do is make the background a little more blurred and then do the same thing. So this is what it looks like when the background is more blurred. You can see the phone really clearly, and then the background is just really blurry. So that's how you blur parts of an image on your iOS device. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If this works for you, please hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss a video like this.